how to enable character voice in Character AI. Everybody, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, open your preferred browser and search for character.ai. You can also do it from your application or your desktop website. So next is tap on this button here, tap on create, tap on character, and then what you have to do is fill up this character book. And then simply write your character name, then add a tagline, then simply add greeting. Then in order to add voice, what you have to do is tap on this voice option, slide it down, tap on add, and here you can see many voices and you select the voice you want. You can also create your own voice by tapping here, tap on OK, and you can create it by using your own voice or uploading it. But if you want to select the voice from the discover section, you can simply do it, select it, and then your visibility you have to make it as per your choice. Here I will make it private and then simply tap on create character. And just like that, your character is created with voice in it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down, and I'll catch you in the next one.